Struggling to add product pages to your hosting or site? Stop guessing. Here's exactly how to set up your online store in minutes. We will navigate the dashboard, access store settings, and add your first product page. Follow these 13 simple steps. Alright, first things first. Go ahead and open your hosting or website builder. You will want to be on the main editing screen where you can see your site. This is the starting point for everything. So now look on the left-hand side of your screen. You will see a panel with a few different icons. Click on the one labeled space_dashboard. This is your main control hub. It gives you access to all the deeper settings for your site, not just the visual editor. Once you are in the space_dashboard, you will see a list of options. Look for the section that says Manage Product Pages. It also lets you edit templates and access SEO settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you will eventually manage everything you sell, but right now we are just getting the ball rolling. And here is the really important part. After clicking that, the page will update. You will see a highlighted area or a specific button. It might be a bit subtle, so look for the area that says Highlight. Click on that. This is a quick way to jump to the right part of the interface. Now from that same panel, you need to find the icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. In the code, it is called more_horizon. Click on that. This opens a small drop-down menu with more advanced actions. In that drop-down menu, you will see a search bar. Click on Search. This is a fast way to find features without digging through menus. Just type in your search. Type the word store into that search bar. Then click on the store option that appears. This tells Hostinger you are ready to add e-commerce functionality to your website. Alright, so now that we have told it we want a store, the dashboard will update again. Look back at the left-hand panel. You need to click on space_dashboard one more time. I know it feels like a repeat, but each click is taking us deeper into the setup process. In that space_dashboard, you will again see the 3 dots icon, more_horizon. Click on that for a second time. And now for the final step in the setup. In that drop-down menu, look for and click on the option that just says Sell. This is the trigger. It tells the builder to fully activate the store and product page system. And that is it. In just a few minutes, you have gone from a static site to having a fully functional store backend. Your store is now ready, and you can start adding your first product pages and getting those listings ready for customers. You are all set.